Hey, what's going on, guys? Mitch, Fab402 here again. What's up today is a man cave sports memorabilia sign. That's all fun and good until it comes down to the fact that it's for the Minnesota Vikings, and I don't know what professional team really picks purple and gold as like a color like that's gonna intimidate anybody. And then you call each other the purple people eaters, I think. But like, if you were purple people eating, wouldn't you be just cannibalizing yourself? It's a Father's Day gift, which is cool. And the gentleman's lady reached out to me and wants it made for Father's Day. This video will probably be up after Father's Day, but it's the week of the Sunday is Father's Day, so we want to push it through here and make sure it's done and everybody's happy. This one is going to be a 24-inch 2-layer backlit LED. We're gonna go for a pretty clean look, probably a circle, perfect circle. Custom designs into the sheet metal for the face, and then probably try to find whatever purple is the most man cave-esque, and roll with that as the fascia, and do probably have a multicolor LED back strip, but we'll do the inside probably white for most reflective, and make it, which will probably be the most commonly used, the gold lighting, as in purple and gold for Minnesota Vikings. So let's get rolling. Hey, audio check here, 57819. It's my money and I want it now. There she blows. The old Minnesota Vikings sign there, lighted up. You know, got a little gold tint to her. Purple and gold, makes sense. Tyson, I hope you like it, big guy. You know, I know you're a great dad, and I hope you appreciate getting this for Father's Day. I think the sign's pretty clean, pretty modern. You know, maybe it's something that's good enough to bring about, you know, world peace or something. I don't know. I don't know if it's that good. It might be, but it's a pretty dope purple. Pretty nifty. Hope you like, bud.